Yeah, Lato, it's so good, right? Like, oh my God, char. Pabili ice tubig. Paload muna. Paload muna. 5 na pala. Gutom na ako. This is the soundtrack of my summer. Babe Charlotte. Hi, Nicole. Have you eaten? Ano yung Sunday ulam niyo? Tas ngayon, mag-isa na lang ako kumakain on a Sunday. Tapos wala pang pagkain. Ay, kawawa. Ay, kawawa talaga. Teka, dito na nga ako sa Grab. Ano mo masarap kainin? See you po sa 40. See you, heart ni Jans. Oh my gosh. Miss ta kita. Gusto kita ma-meet. Ay guys, try nyo na yung parang ano, yung bagong labas ng Krispy Kreme, yung may katayfi na ano, yung pistachio kineme nila. Masarap ba? Laging wala sa Grab. Laging sold out. Worth the calories ba? Hi, Ambel. Pupunta ka ba sa 13 and 14? Matamis siya, sabi ni St. Peter. Really? OA ba? Or hindi naman? See you December 13 to 14. Yay! Thank you, Keg. See you. I can't wait. See you, Keshi. 13 and 14, guys, hindi 13 or 14. Guys, ano kakainin ko? Your voice is the soundtrack of my summer. You'll always be my thunder, so. Guys, end ko na kaya yung live. Matagal ako magpili ng food kasi. Nabobore lang kayo. Ayaw na watch me ba? Sige, dyan lang kayo. Okay. How about some sashimi? Do you watch GL po? Yeah. Pag may time. Char. Pero nakita ko sa FYB ko minsan. Parang nakakaumay yung sashimi. Ayoko. How's life, my loves? Nababa ko na naman yung cellphone, hindi na naman nakapilot. Your voice is the soundtrack of my summer. You'll always be my thunder and set your eyes is the brightest among the colors. Meron akong gustong kanta. Ilan na yung followers ng squad? Grabe, 308 na. Are you home? You are my home. Kabog. Guys, follow this account. That's our new account. Magpatugtog nga tayo.
And
Ay.
as long as the stars shine out from
Heavens, as long as the rivers run to the sea. Get over you, getting over. Happy Sunday, everyone. It's time. I don't Kagulat. So we love you. I know that I should get on with my love, and after that you guys never be right. As long as the stars shine out from the heavens, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you. I know that I should know. Always thinking of you, as long as the stars shine from the heavens, long as the rivers run to the sea. Happy Sunday! Ay, may filter. Getting. Oh! I'll never let you, but it's like you can't go on like this. You're the only one I ever had. Guys, do you guys have any questions about the pop-up? From the heavens. I love you. Hungry, hungry, hungry. Guys, want me to end the live na? Ano gawa niyo? What? What you doing? sarap mag-nap kapag Sunday, no? Tulog tayo, baby. Tulog tayo. Nap tayo, baby. Let's nap together. Close mo na eyes mo. Oh, ba't nakadilad ka pa? Ba't nagtatype ka pa? Ano yun? Nakapikit pero bobo yung ano yung tinatype mo. You're lying. Bakit? Sino ka chat? Charot. Good morning! Good morning! I'm awake na. Naol baliw! Energy, eh? I like this song. Ay.
Saying see you again so many times, it's becoming my tagline. You are the truth that I can hold you. Been trying to catch this flight. So many things I don't say, but for now it's goodbye.
Cars outside. Unless you pack your... May nagpadala daw ng... Wait. Let me check kung ano yun. Aray, sakit. Oh shit, what's this? Ay putik yan, drizzled chicken. Ah, ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. That was fast. I love drizzled chicken.
Cause outside but I don't wanna go tonight.
I'm never feeling lonely. Guys, ang pangit ko. Paano yan? Diyan lang kayo.
You're going with me. Trying to love me from afar.
I'm not cute. I'm not cute. Thank you po. Kanina pa to. As in, hindi pa ata ako nag-live. Kasi, ngayon ko lang nakita yung message ng guard. Shit, ang sarap. Guys, 6 PM may ibabagsak ang CF ah. Abangan nyo. Wow! Yay! Hungry, hungry, hungry. Alexa, turn volume to 3. Hindi na tuloy malamig. Ay, mainit. Ay, shit, hindi. Malamig, mainit pa rin siya. Grizzled chicken, the best. Mm. 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 Gutom na gutom ako. Mm. When angels share me. Mm. Harap talaga. Bet ko kasi yung mac and cheese nila, ang cheesy. Tsaka ano, hindi red sauce. Gusto ko yung ano, hindi red sauce. Sa mac and cheese. ginagawa nyo, guys? After nito, mag-work muna pala ako. Kalahati ko na. Yeah, so good. Tell me how much you kiss me. Yum. Okay, bye guys. I love you. Peace. Happy Sunday. Sana masarap dinner nyo. See you on December 13 and 14. Bye! Uhaw na ako. Bye. Love you!
Mahal mo din kasi kami. Oo naman, mahal ko kayo. Hindi naman ako magla-live ng ganito. Tsaka, kundi ko, pag mahal ko yung isang, magbibigay ako ng oras, ganun ako. So, ibig sabihin ko kayo, ay! Nandito pa sila. Ano pa si Ate Jack? Ala, may dito. Te! Andiyan pa kayo? Kala ko umalis na din kayo. You going now? Okay. What did you order?
Not Mr. Brick.
What is that? Wrap?
It's actually good.
Chicken burger? What did she have?
Sa Dubai. Dubai something.
Kala ko sabay kayo na Bye.
It's just 3 of you.
Yeah, that's it. We have 11 hours to kill. Yay!
1 hour.
Wow. Nol. Yung tipong patulog na kayo, pauwi pa lang kami.
Oh, yeah. Emergency pa yung mama din.
Kami na yung magiging security dito. Can I have your passport, please? Ganun na yung Kaya ingat.
You want a snack?
No, I have snacks already. You eat that. I eat that. I have 3. O sige, lagay mo lang dito, Tay.
Okay.
Hello, grabe siya. Pati 3 in 1. Hindi, no, I'm good with this. Thank you.
Maraming baon na.
Ingat, Tay. Ingat. See you whenever. See you whenever, kuya. Bye-bye. Ingat. Basta yung gamit ko, may ilagay ko dito muna. Wala, grabe yung mas mahal na ito kaysa sa jowa. Sabi ko,
So many times we say bye to them.
ito yung mga kasama namin, yung dalawang magjowa. Nandito pa pala, kala ko umalis na. Kami yung last na ano dito. I'm gonna buy food. Hi, bossing. Hi, Gian. Hello po sa mga hindi ko na shout out. Shout. Nawala pala kayo, sorry. Wait lang. Donor, Dubai. Chef, ano tong chef? Chef's capacity. Chef's capacity. I'll get that. Chef's capacity. Mas gusto ko yung open Balkan. Open Balkan. Where should I order? Here. Yes, kain tayo. Samahan niyo ko. Na ano ba yun? Or mayroon na naman akong ano, love you 3. Mayroon ako nakita. Grabe yung mga edits, no? Nilalaro nyo. Tapos mayroon na ako nakita yung edits na yung kay Jessica Soho. Ano pa yung edits? Yung parang awarding. Guys, wait lang. Alam nyo ba? Kaya hindi ako nag-i-story ng mga ano ko, eto. Hindi ako nag-i-story ng mga post nyo. Nire-repost ko lang, tsaka like and favorites. Kasi my account got warning. Meron akong in-story na post na kailangan kong i-remove. Dalawa yon. So kapag hindi ko i-remove yun, kaya hindi ako nag-live nung isang araw. Wait, mag-order muna ako. Hi, Ate. Hi, can I get one open Balkan, please? One open Balkan, please. One open Balkan, please. Can I?
Nero. Yes, of course.
Wait. sorry. Sorry na. No. Mute ba? Mute. Anong nangyari? Anong? What no? Ha? Anong food? Ay, open Balkan. Ano siya? Greek. So, chicken. Chicken. Halo-halo avocado. Still waiting. Anong topic nyo? Ala, bakit hindi ko alam topic nyo? Uy, anong topic nyo dito? What's your topic? Uy, what's the topic? Mute ka daw? Hindi ako nakamute. Alam, nag-order ako na una ako. I'm still waiting. I order Ofen Balkan. Wala, inuna pa yung ibang artist. I don't want this one. Everything, yes. Yeah. And no onion, please. Yeah. Yeah. No. Ano ko niyan? Sabi ko, kuya. Anong gusto nyo? What do you want? I'll order something for you. Mag-asa ko if they can. Can you put? Thank you. My English is not English indeed. Why?
I just asked the ladies to move because they ordered from Mr. Greek and not from there.
We have to move? We're not moving.
He'll ask you, he's just taking your orders from here.
And? Did they? Who did?
These two orders stood up.
So they will ask us to move?
That's nice.
Really? Grabe.
Depends what one. See anyone?
We're ordering, somebody's ordering. Ano daw?
Can you order something to hire,
Yeah. Even if you wanna go toilet, you have to order something. You can't just go toilet and
It's not even like it's busy, you know what I mean?
I know. Meron. Kaso, may 3-in-1 kanina binibigay sa akin ngayon.